Navigating the gallery scene, a guide for emerging artists. Hi fellow artists, have you ever wondered how you can grace the walls of a gallery? Now, let's talk strategy. Building a relationship with galleries isn't a spontaneous act, it's an art form in itself. So here's a roadmap to help you ace the gallery game. Know your art and your people. Start with a deep dive into your own art. What makes it unique? Who are your creative kindred spirits? Then research galleries with artists whose work resonates with yours. Make a list of potential fits. Differentiate and define. What sets you apart? Identify your unique selling points, whether it's your technique, subject matter, or style. Be crystal clear about what makes your art a standout. Your story is your secret weapon. Thirdly, research galleries. Look into the background of galleries. Find those that align with your vision. Check if they represent artists with similar backgrounds or styles. Consider the location and pricing of artworks. Ensure it's a good fit for your art and your audience. Fourth, networking is key. Tap into your own network. Attend exhibitions, mingle at art events, and connect with fellow artists. Personal introductions can open doors. Remember, galleries appreciate artists who understand and appreciate their vibe. Fifth, gradual introduction. Don't pop in unannounced. Gallery relationships are built, not forced. Attend their exhibitions, engage on social media, and understand their curatorial vision. Familiarise yourself with their ethos and show genuine interest in their other artists. Sixth, learn and admire. Show your love. Attend exhibitions hosted by your target galleries. Learn about their showcase artists, the themes, their curation styles, which art fairs they attend. Share your admiration genuinely. A gallery is more likely to embrace you if they feel a mutual appreciation. 7. Be strategic with your approach. Develop a plan. Outline how your art fits into the gallery's narrative. Craft a compelling story about your journey as an artist. A strategic and well thought out introduction increases your chances of being noticed. 8. Timing is everything. Be mindful of when you approach. Don't bombard during peak exhibition periods. Choose the right moment to write an email to share your portfolio and express your interest. Patience pays off. 9. Showcase your personality. Galleries work with people, not just art. Let your personality shine through. Be genuine, be passionate, and be professional. Galleries want to feel they can work seamlessly with you. Finally, 10. Respect their space. Remember, it's their space. Respect their time and place. Be courteous in your approach. A gallery is more likely to consider your work if they feel a positive and respectful energy. Embark on your gallery journey with a thoughtful strategy. Let your art and your character speak volumes. And finally, good luck.